pretty excited because I've got my new MacBook Pro. Well, I say new, in fact it's second hand. It's a 2012 model, but what I plan to do is upgrade it with an SSD and use it for, I don't know, my laptop. It's not going to replace my desktop, but it's something I can carry around and use, you know, if I need to go out and do something. When I've upgraded it, I plan to use it to edit this video to show you can still use an old laptop like this in 2021. There she is, the 15-inch MacBook Pro 2012. Well, it's got a hard drive in the moment, so it's going to be a bit slow. I've set her up, so let's see how long it takes to boot up. Got a stopwatch running. It's taken a bit of time, so I've fast forwarded it. I've paused the stopwatch while I type in the password. Okay, so here we go, and let's see how long this takes. I've got the video running on fast forward because it's just taken so long. Was it 2 minutes? Wow, look at this. Fast forward. 2 minutes, 3 minutes. It's just crazy. I knew the hard drive would be slow, but this is it's taking the biscuit, isn't it? Okay, so the screen's gone black. I don't know what that means, but let's just wait. Oh, okay. There's no icons. I can't do anything with it. That's crazy. What's happening? I'm gonna try to hit a key and see what happens. Nothing's happening. Okay. The battery is charged, but I just plug it in just in case. But I don't think that'll make any difference. Oh, how's this? Oh yeah, here we are. That's madness. 4 minutes, 3 seconds to boot up. I'm going to check the speed with Blackmagic. It's taken a long time to boot up. So let's see what the run speeds are. What's that? A write speed of 20 megabytes per second. Now I was expecting it to be, you know, about 90 or 100. That's very slow. The read speeds are 25 to 30. That explains why it took so long to boot up. Thought it would be interesting to run it for an external SSD and to see how that improves the boot up times and the read and write speeds. I used to run my iMac this way because it made it go much faster. About 3 times faster. Now I should expect big improvements using this SSD. So it's running through the USB port, and let's see what it's doing. So we've got a stopwatch going again. So I'm going to fast forward it now. Let's see. Okay, so 38 seconds, and I've just got to type in my password, and then we'll start the stopwatch again. It goes. Oh, okay, so 47 seconds. Now that is much better. And this, of course, is using the external SSD. So now I'm going to check it with Blackmagic and see what the read and write speeds are. So start that. Okay. So, oh, I booted up much quicker. And let's see what's going on here then. Ah, massive improvement. So what's that? 280 write? And let's check the read speeds. Okay, get 300, 290. Well, that's 10 times quicker, isn't it? So now the next thing I'm going to do is put the SSD inside the laptop and try it internally. I'm hoping for a great improvement. So what we got? I'll speed up the film footage again. 24, 25. So where are we? So, 28 seconds, that's better. And I'll type in password. Well, 31 seconds to boot up. Much better. Just check the read and write speeds with Blackmagic. Now, what do we got? Let's just see what it does. We've got 300 odd, 340, 400 read, 340 write. Now this is much better. So for a 2012 MacBook Pro, that's pretty good, isn't it? And it makes it quite usable today. On YouTube, you'll find plenty of videos of people showing you how to do these upgrades.